Hello guys, it's my pleasure to welcome you to my channel, Lazer Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafiu Yakub. I'm reaching you from Lagos State, Nigeria. And in this video guys, I'm going to show you guys best website to get free PSD Photoshop pattern without any stress. All you have to do is to make sure you watch this video from the beginning to the end and see how you navigate on the site and how you can actually download PSD file Photoshop pattern without any stress. So without wasting much of our time, so let's dive into the tutorial and see all the website that you can use to download unlimited free PSD pattern without any stress. So let's get started. So the first website I have for you guys right here is vectorpatterns.co.uk. okay, this particular website here offer thousands of free PSD file Photoshop pattern. So just like what you see on the screen right here, you can see this is a freebie, and this is just the interface of the pattern. Most especially when you download a pattern, this is how it's going to look like when you download and install it in your Adobe Photoshop. So you can scroll down and see the Photoshop file size that you can use before you can download this particular that you can use to install and use this particular pattern. So this is animal patterns right here. All these here are free PSD pattern that you can download for your design project, just like what you see on the screen right here. Okay, so you can scroll down and see more free pattern for Adobe Photoshop. You can see these are more patterns that you can use for your design project. So down below here, if you still would like to check more pages as far as this particular website vectorpatterns.co.uk is concerned, all you have to do is to click on page 2 or click on next page. You'll be able to prompt to the next page and see more pattern that you can download for free on this particular website. So once again, the website name is vectorpatterns.co.uk. so check the site out and download unlimited free PSD Photoshop pattern. So let's take a look at another one I have for you guys. So right one here, another one I have for you guys here is elements.evanto.com. This particular site also offer some free files and some paid for some token paid file for graphic projects. So what we are interested on this particular page here is Adobe Photoshop pattern for free. So when you log into the sites, you might see something like this or something similar. All you have to do is to understand how you can navigate on the site and get the right information you need on the site. So right here, if you are interested in the paid package, this is for individual 60.5 cents USD per month, and this is for teamwork. But nevertheless, if you are interested in the free file on this particular site, all you have to do is to come to the more here. So when you click on more, you're going to see more information right here. Come to the free files right here. Click on free files. Then from there, you'll be able to see unlimited free file for graphics, pattern, templates, etc. So you're going to see them on this particular website. So you can see. So this month free files, this is just about some graphic elements that you can download for free. So you can scroll down and see all the free files on this particular website. So guys, you can see these are all free files that you can download on this particular site. You can scroll down and see more free files, and all you have to do is to make sure you want to download this one. Just click on this download icon here. This is a palette Photoshop action. Click on here to download straight up. All these are free files in Adobe Photoshop as the case may be. So let's take a look at another website I have for you guys right here. So another one I have for you guys here is myphotoshopbrushes.com. This particular website offers a great thousands of free files for graphic designers, web designers, artists, etc. So when you log onto the site, you can scroll down and see more some of the latest file uploaded. So you can see these are just graphic elements that you can use for your next project. So you can scroll down and see more and more as far as this site is concerned. One more thing about this site is that you can make use of search bar right here and search for whatever you are looking for. You can get a PSD file, you can get a styles and gradients, custom shapes, patterns. So for this site, you are interested, you click on patterns. So when you click on pattern, you're going to see the thousands of free patterns that you can use for your design in Adobe Photoshop. So right here, guys, so you can scroll down and see more current and previous pattern that you can download at your convenience time. You can see the number of people that have downloaded this so far. These are free files that you can use for your design or whatever projects you are doing. You can see the number of people that have downloaded this file also in the past. So you can scroll down and see more and more and more as far as this particular site is concerned. So you can click on here to show more free PSD pattern in on this particular website. So this is what I have for you guys as far as my photoshopbrushes.com is concerned. So let's take a look at another one where you can use to get unlimited free Photoshop PSD file pattern. So I'm going to close it up. So right here, another one I have for you guys is vector6.com. This particular website, there are thousands of things you can get for free on this site. So you can get ranging from background, summer, nature, back to school, etc. So for you to get a free PSD pattern, all you have to do is to come to the top right here. You navigate to vector. So when you get to vector, from there you can navigate to pattern. Right here you can see pattern. Click on pattern. So you'll be able to prompt to unlimited many thousands of free PSD file pattern that you can download and use for your next design projects. Okay, so guys, when you get to the site, you can come to the sidebar here and filter what you need. You can go to newest, that is the new pattern that was uploaded on this site. So you can scroll down and see more pattern available. So you can at this point here, you need to come here and click on free file. So you click on free file, so you'll be able to see all the free patterns that you can use for your next project. So you can see right here, these are free and beautiful patterns that you can use for your next design project in Adobe Photoshop. So you can scroll down and see more free patterns. So you can see there are thousands of free patterns here, beautiful patterns that you guys can use for your next design project. So guys, this is what I have for you guys as far as this particular website is concerned. So let's take a look at another website I have for you guys as far as free download pattern in Adobe Photoshop is concerned. Right here, another one I have for you guys here is premiumpixels.com. So this particular website also offer different types of free resource, such as free icons, patterns, elements, and etc. All you have to do when you launch into the site, scroll down and see more and more as far as this site is concerned. So for you to see more products, you can click on here, move to the next page. You'll be able to see more and more as far as this site is concerned. So this is what I have for you guys as far as premiumpixels.com is concerned. So let's take a look at another website I have for you guys as far as free download unlimited PSD file pattern is concerned. Right here, I have with me here the artfix.com. So you can see the URL right here. So when you launch onto the site, all you have to do is come to the freebies. When you click on freebies, you'll be able to see more free graphic elements such as patterns, backgrounds, etc. So when I click on freebies, you can see these are patterns that are very much ready for you guys for your next design project that you can use. And all these files here, they are free to use file in your next project. You can scroll down and see more beautiful pattern as far as designartfix.com is concerned. These are just free elements that this particular site have at the moment I'm making this video. So guys, so let's take a look at another one I have for you as far as free unlimited download pattern is concerned. Right here with me is another great platform that you guys can use to get unlimited Photoshop pattern download for free. Alright guys, so this is the site right here. You can scroll down and see more patterns, so you can see it right here. There are unlimited patterns right here. All you have to do is to navigate and see more patterns, more resources that you can use for your next project. You can navigate to the home tab right here, click on freebies, or you come here, inspirations. For design inspiration, you can also come here and click on patterns. When you click on patterns, you're going to see all the available patterns that you can download for free and use it for your next design projects. Okay, so let's take a look at the last one I have for you guys right here. The last one I have for you guys is all even free ivandownload.com. That's just the site. So when you launch into the site, come navigate right here and make sure you click on free factors. When you get to free factors, then navigate to and search for patterns. So right here, this is patterns. So when you select pattern, you'll be able to see unlimited patterns that you guys can use for your next design project. So guys, this is what I have for you guys as far as best websites to download unlimited free pattern in Adobe Photoshop pattern for free. I hope you guys find value for this video. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a big thumb up. If you have not yet subscribed to the channel, kindly hit on the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, so whenever I upload free online resource like this, you get notified and you watch the video. And lastly but not least, if you have any question for me as far as this tutorial is concerned, kindly put your question in the comment section down below. Thank you guys for watching this video from beginning to the end, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.